You're carrying a true healing system right in your own hands? Sounds impossible, right? But what I'm about to show you can completely change the way you take care of your health. With gestures so simple you'll wonder, why has no one ever told me this before? This gesture is one of the most powerful when it comes to controlling blood pressure, protecting the heart, and even preventing diseases like diabetes, obesity, and clogged arteries. Yes, all of this, with your own hands. But the magic doesn't stop there. By activating specific points on your fingers, you're sending direct signals to your brain, awakening areas responsible for memory, focus, and even that true feeling of happiness we all crave. Take a deep breath right now. Focus completely on what comes next, because this exercise is special. Bring your middle finger and thumb together and repeat this small movement over and over. Do it 100 times a day, either all at once or spread throughout the day. What seems like a simple motion is actually a direct boost to your blood flow, strengthening your heart vessels and improving circulation. Almost like doing an internal workout without even getting up from your chair. And no, this isn't magic. It's neuroscience applied to conscious touch. Do you want to supercharge your mind? More energy, focus, mental clarity? Then try this one. Gently press your thumb while making these movements. Hold it for 1 minute, every morning. This small gesture activates regions of the brain linked to memory, focus, and even the ability to recall positive experiences more easily. It's like having a mental upgrade button right at your fingertips, and no one ever told you. Now pay attention to this one. Bring all your fingers together as if forming a shell. Can you do it with both hands? It looks easy, but it will actually demand concentration and neuromuscular coordination. This gesture activates your ability to think faster, organize your thoughts, and stay clear-headed, even in stressful situations. Practice it for 60 seconds daily, and over time, you'll notice yourself expressing ideas more clearly, remembering names with ease, and feeling your mind lighter and sharper. Now press your thumb against your other 4 fingers, closing your hand. Do this for 2 minutes. This simple gesture works directly on your emotions, helping to relieve